Good morning, class. Standard 8th, Chapter 11, Mensuration. Very important lesson. Please pay attention. Let us start with the theory part. What is perimeter? It is the distance around the boundary of any figure. Perimeter becomes the sum of all sides of given figure. It is measured using units. Now let us see perimeters of different figures. Square. Square is 4 into length. Rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. What is triangle perimeter? Sum of length of all three sides. Perimeter of any regular polygon will be number of sides into length of each side. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r, where r is radius. Perimeter of semicircle is 2 pi r upon 2 is equal to pi r. Now let us see area. The second point is area. Area is the part of the plane occupied by a closed figure. A closed figure can be of different regular or irregular shapes. It is measured using square units. Please note it down. Area of different figures. Square is equal to side square, side into side. Rectangle will be length into breadth. Triangle will be half into base into height. Half into b, b is base, height is h. Parallelogram will be base into height, b into h. Trapezium will be half into sum of parallel sides into height. Rhombus will be half into product of diagonals, that is half into d1 into d2. Following? Circle is equal to pi r square. Now you see the first figure is rectangle. So area will be a into b. Second is square, that is a into a. Then we have triangle, then parallelogram, then we have circle. Now, so please revise all the perimeter and areas of different figures. Now we go to exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Please refer to the textbook. Open a textbook and sit. A square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Please note it down. Same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Figure A is square. Figure B is rectangular shape. Okay. And the sides are given 60 meter. Here 80 meter. Let us start the first point. Side of square field is 60 meter. Please note down. So perimeter of square will be 4 into side. 4 into 60, that is 240 meter. First point is clear. Then we find area. Area of square field is equal to side square. That is 60 square is equal to 60 into 60. 3600 meters square. First point is clear, everyone. Now we go to the second figure B. Let us find the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to perimeter of square field. It is given, no? Both have same perimeter. So perimeter of rectangular field will be 240. 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle is equal to 240. Now what is the length given? 80. Replace 2 bracket 80 plus breadth is equal to 240. 80 plus breadth is equal to 240 upon 2. 80 plus breadth is equal to 120. Are you following? So breadth will be 40. Breadth of rectangular field will be 40 meter. Area of rectangular field will be length into breadth. 80 into 40 is 3200 meters square. So area of square field is more than area of rectangular field. Thus area of square field A is large. Is it clear? Question number 2. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot, square, with a measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. Please see the figure. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Let us start. Side of square plot is 25 meter. So area will be 25 square, that is 625 meter square. First point is clear to everyone. In square plot, a rectangular shaped house is to be constructed. So area of the constructed house will be length into breadth, that is 20 into 15, 300 meter square. Area of garden is equal to, how to find area of garden? Area of square plot minus area of constructed house. 625 minus 300 will give you 325 meter square. So the cost of developing garden 1 meter square is rupees, what is given in the sum? 55. So cost of developing garden of 325 meter square will be how much? When you multiply, you get rupees 17875. Please write the answer. Now we go to question number 3. The shape of the garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Length of rectangle is 20 minus bracket 3.5 plus 3.5 meters. Please see the diagram. Let us start now. For semicircle, radius is equal to diameter upon 2, 7 upon 2 meter. So area of circle will be pi r square. Area of semicircle will be half of it. So area of two semicircles will be 2 bracket half pi r square. So you get the value of pi is taken 22 upon 7. 38.5 meters square. Following, circumference of two semicircles is 2 pi r. So we get 22 meter. Now second point is for rectangle. Length is given in the sum. 20 minus bracket 3.5 plus 3.5. 20 minus 7 is 13 meter. Breadth is 7 meter. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. 13 into 7 is 91 meter square. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into 13 plus 0. So we get 26 meter. Total area of the garden will be 38.5 plus 91 meter square, 129.5 meter square. Perimeter of the garden will be 22 plus 26 meter, that is 48 meter. And please write the answer at the end. Now we go to question number 4. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is, underline this, base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? Okay. Now let us start. The tile is of parallelogram shape. So its area will be base into corresponding height. Area of floor will be 1080 meter square. So base of a tile will be 24 centimeter. Convert to meter. 24 upon 100 will give you meters. Okay. Corresponding height is 10 centimeter. 10 upon 100 meter. So number of tiles will be area of a floor upon area of one tile. 1080 upon 24 upon 100 into 10 upon 100. So you get 45,000. Thus 45,000 tiles are required to cover the given floor. Now we go to question number 5. Please see the figures. 3 figures are given, A, B and C. Let us read the question first. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression C is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Here the shape is semicircular. Diameter is how much? First figure we are referring. We are referring to the first figure, 2.8. So radius will be half, 1.4. Circumference of a semicircle is pi r. Following? So we get perimeter of the given figure is equal to pi r plus diameter. 22 upon 7 into 1.4 plus 2.8 gives you 7.2 centimeter. Now we go to the next B. Given shape is semicircular at one side. Radius is 2.8 upon 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So perimeter of semicircular region circumference will be pi r. So you get 4.4 centimeter. Give number 1. Perimeter of left portion is equal to breadth plus length plus breadth. 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5 gives you 5.8 centimeter. Give number 2. Perimeter of the given figure will be from 1 and 2. When you add, you get 10.2. Third, perimeter of a given part semicircular circumference is equal to pi r. 22 upon 7 into 1.4 is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Perimeter of the given figure is 4.4 plus 2 is equal to 8.4. So 7.2 is less than 8.4 less than 10.2 centimeter. The ant would have to take a longer round for food piece B as it has a larger perimeter. Please write the answer. Now we go to exercise 11.2. Let us read question number 1. Draw the figure. The shape of the top of a surface of a table, do you see table in the figure, is trapezium. Opposite sides are parallel. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter, 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Very easy. Let us write the formula of area of top of surface of a table is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. Half into 1.2 plus 1 into 0.8. Half into 2.2 into 0.8. That is 0.88 meter square. So area of top surface of table is 0.88 meter square. You have to revise 2 times. Now we go to question number 2. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Please write down area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter and we have to find the length of the other side. Very easy. Let the length of the other parallel side be x. So area of trapezium will be half into sum of parallel sides into height. Put the values. Half into 10 plus x into 4. 10 plus x into 2 is equal to 20 plus 2x. Now you see area of trapezium is 34 centimeters square given. So 20 is plus 2x is equal to 34. So x will be 7. Write the answer. Length of the other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Following? Question number 3. Length of a fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter, AD is equal to 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. Let us start. Perimeter of a field is equal to length of fence of a field. Okay. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120. Now replace the values what are given to you. AB plus 48 plus 17 plus 40 is equal to 120. AB plus 105 is equal to 120. AB is equal to 120 minus 105. AB is equal to 15 meter. Now area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. Put the values. Half into AD plus BC into AB. Half into 40 plus 48 into 15. So you get 660 meters square. Please write the answer. Question number 4. Draw the figure. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Ready? Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD. ABD. Please see the figure. ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So the formula is half into base into height. BD into AM plus half into BD into CM. So half into 24 into 13 plus half into 24 into 8. By solving it, we get 252 meters square. Write the answer. Area of the field is 252 meters square. Now we go to question number 5. Question number 5 says that the diagonals of the rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Very easy. D1 7.5 centimeter, D2 12 centimeter. Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. So you get the answer 45 centimeter square. Please write the answer. Area of rhombus is 45 centimeter square. Now we go to question number 6. Question number 6 says that find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of the diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. Clear? We'll start. Okay. Rhombus is a parallelogram too. So area of rhombus is equal to base into height, because area of parallelogram is base into height. So 5 into 4.8 gives you 24 centimeter square. Now we know that area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2. Put the values. 24 is equal to half into 8 into D2. So D2 will be 6 centimeter. Is it clear? So length of the other side of the diagonal will be 6 centimeter. Now we go to question number 7. Let us read. The floor of a building consists of how many tiles? 3000 tiles, which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. The shape of a floor tile is rhombus. D1 is equal to 45 centimeter, D2 is equal to 30 centimeter. Area of tile is equal to half into D1 into D2. Half into 45 into 30 is equal to 45 into 15 is equal to 675 centimeter square. First point is clear. Now, floor of a building consists of total how many tiles? 3000 tiles. So, area of floor is equal to number of tiles into area of one tile. 3000 into 675. So, this is in the centimeter square, convert into meter. So, you get the answer 202.5 meters square. So, cost of polishing floor is rupees 4 per meter square. So, total cost will be rupees 810. Following? Now, question number 8. Very good question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Trapezium shaped, okay? Its side along the river is parallel and underline twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Please draw the figure. The side along the river is parallel and twice the side along the road. Okay. So, let the length of the side along the road be x. Now, along the river side is twice. So, it will be 2x. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half into x plus 2x into 100. So, half into 3x into 100 gives you 150x. Following? But area of field is given to you 10,500 meters square. So, 150x equal to 10,500. So, x will be 70 meter and 2x will be 140 meter. So, length of the side along the river is 140 meter. Is it clear? Question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon. Octagon how many? 8 sides. As shown in the figure, find the area of the octagonal surface. Let us divide the regular octagon into two congruent trapezium and a rectangle. You can see in the figure two congruent trapezium and between is rectangle. Then add areas of all these three shapes and we get the answer. Let us start. Height of a trapezium is 4 cm. Length of two parallel sides are 11 meter and 5 meter. Area of trapezium is equal to half into 11 plus 5 into 4. So we get 32 meters square. So area of two trapezium will be 2 into 32, that is 64 meters square. Give number 1. Area of rectangle will be length into breadth, 11 into 5, that is 55 meters square. So area of regular octagonal platform will be, add all, so you get 119 meters square. Now we go to question number 10. There is a pentagonal 5 sides park as shown in figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? Please draw the figure. Jyoti has divided given pentagon into two congruent trapeziums. So area of trapezium, as we know, half into sum of parallel sides. Please learn by heart the formulas. Into perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. So half into 15 plus 30 into 15 upon 2. So you get the answer 675 upon 4 meters square. Is it clear? So area of two trapezium will be 2 into 675 upon 4. So you get 337.5 meters square. Now Kavita has divided the given pentagon into one triangle, another square. So area of triangle will be half into base into height, half into 15 into 15, that is 112.5 meters square. Give number 1. Area of square will be side square, 15 square will be 225 meters square. Area of pentagon from 1 and 2 add it, 337.5 meters square. Now let us use our idea and find another method to find area of pentagon. Here we have divided the given pentagon into three triangles. Area of triangle A, area of triangle B, area of triangle C, and by adding we get 337.5 meters square. So area of the given pentagon is 337.5 meters square. Now we go to question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent figure. Frame has outer dimensions 24 cm into 28 cm and inner dimension 16 into 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Here, picture frame is divided into four trapezium A, B, C, D. Please see the figure again. A, B, C, D. The sides of opposite trapeziums have same measurement, so they have equal area. So area of A is equal to area of C. First point is clear. Area of A is equal to area of C. And area of B is equal to area of D. Make it clear. For trapezium A and C, length of parallel sides is equal to 24 cm, 16 cm. Height will be 28 minus 20 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 4 cm. Area of trapezium A is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between parallel sides. So half into 24 plus 16 into 4, half into 40 into 4 is equal to 80 cm. So area of trapezium C will be 80 cm square. Now for trapezium B and C, length of parallel sides is equal to 28 cm, 20 cm. So height will be 24 minus 16 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 cm. Area of trapezium B is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance between parallel sides. So half into 28 plus 20 into 4, half into 48 into 4, that is 96 cm square. So area of trapezium D is equal to 96 cm square. Now area of section A is 80 cm square. Area of section B is 96 cm square. Area of section C is 80 centimeters square and area of section D is 96 centimeters square. Thank you. The next exercise in the next video.